All our machines are built to last and will keep you cleaning for longer with our 2-year warranty on body and motor. Our products are made for commercial use and built to be functional, long-lasting and easy to maintain. At PakVak, we pride ourselves on our customer service, including after-sales care. We have service agents conveniently located to give you the highest level of support and advice with your PakVak products. The HydroPro Wet and Dry Vacuum Series offer 2-stage filtration with optional HEPA available for dry vacuuming and 1-stage for wet environments. A 3rd level of filtration can be achieved by adding an optional sealed SMS or paper dust bag. Each level of filtration captures and retains progressively more dust and dirt down to the finest particles to prevent any debris from damaging the motor. PakVak's HydroPro range of vacuums are designed to provide low sound output, ensuring comfortable audible levels for the user and minimising noise pollution. This range provides the user with 3 choices in tank size: 21 litre, 36 litre and 76 litre for varying cleaning applications. Designed with non-marking plastic caster wheels, the HydroPro range will protect floor surfaces from scuffs and marks. Fitted with a dual-function vacuum system, these machines are capable of handling both wet and dry materials, offering versatile cleaning for tough jobs big or small. The HydroPro range also include waterproof switches for operator protection in wet environments.